Hi, this is Jordan from UC Workspace. We're here at ISE 2022 with our partner Sharp NEC. Today we are presenting on the DuCo or Dual Collaboration display. It is a new solution from Sharp NEC, and what it is one touch and one non-touch display, both with the same size and shape, giving you a seamless integration between the two boards. But as for us, we are showing off our new software known as Weav version 2. This was recently released to the marketplace and is offering the ideal sharing collaboration solution for anywhere in the world, anytime, any place. We'll go ahead and we'll launch Weav from the quick launch action tile, and as you see, it appears right on the main screen. You've got 3 QR codes presented to you. The first one on the right is no app screen share, allowing you to share with AirPlay, Miracast, or Chromecast without needing any app. The middle QR code allows you to scan this and get an appropriate app depending on your device, Android or iPhone. The final code allows you to scan this once you have the app and connect to the session, or ultimately enter the 4-digit code to join this session. As for me, I've already got the app, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scan the farthest QR code, and it'll automatically join me to the session. Now that we're on the session, you can see I've got access to my calendar, file sharing, screen sharing, quick launch remote, and remote touchpad. We'll start off by using the calendar. From here, you connect your Outlook calendar to the Weav session, and you actually have access to sharing all of your calendar items directly to the interface. With one click of the button, I'll go ahead and I'll launch my Zoom meeting. If Quick Launch is running, the meeting will launch automatically through the Quick Launch settings. As you see here, Zoom launched on the far display, allowing the main touch display to still be used for other kinds of collaboration. If Quick Launch is not running, that same meeting will launch in your default browser. The second option we have is actually file sharing. What happens here is you're able to share any file from a local or drop or cloud storage in one click. By pressing the share button, you have access to seeing all of your local files as well as all your cloud storage. I will go ahead and I'll share an image and show you what the solution looks like. The image is now being uploaded to a secure cloud solution and then bouncing back down to the Weav session. This is what gives us access to sharing from all over the world, anytime, any place. So as you see now, I've got the photo shared of this exact solution we're using right now. From here, I'm actually able to go ahead and grab a pen or a finger, ultimately your choice, and I'm able to do something we call grab and draw. What this will do is it'll take a screenshot of what's being shared, photo, video, screen, whatever you're sharing, and it actually gives you access to annotate directly on these images. We can go ahead and circle and write text boxes and erase and do everything you can in an average whiteboard. You also have the access to open a blank whiteboard. What people generally use these for are for writing meeting notes. So I'm not left-handed, so bear with me. But we could write meeting notes for the meeting, as well as making maybe a to-do list. Something that points that came up during the meeting, and giving everybody the option to collaborate seamlessly with each other from here. Once you're done collaborating with the meeting notes, you're actually able to seamlessly share these meeting notes to everybody who's either on your Weav session or everybody who's in your Quick Launch meeting. The next option you have on the Quick Launch on the Weav solution is screen sharing. Like I said, this can be done with the app or without the app. If you're not using the app, you have to be in the same local network. A couple clicks of the screen here and my screen sharing will begin. This can be done anywhere in the world, internationally. Supports landscape, portrait on iPhone and Android. The second to last option we have available today is actually the Quick Launch remote control. This gives you complete access over the Quick Launch interface. I'll make Quick Launch go to full screen. I can bring Quick Launch back to docked mode, as well as launching things like the whiteboard or other applications you have set up on your session. Last but not least, you've got the touchpad. This gives you access over the mouse and the keyboard for the meeting room PC. Very powerful, as it definitely enables collaboration with everybody who's connected to your session. You can run a room reset either through Quick Launch or through this, or through the Weav application, and it'll remove every piece of credential, every file, every calendar item shared, all with one click, as well as resetting the code, as well as the QR code. We'll go ahead and we'll do that, and as you see, I'm removed from the session, the code is changed, there are no notes, as well as there not being any connections. That's a quick rundown of Weav at ISE.